to video number 3. Now I know I said I was going to wait until the next video, but I just couldn't contain myself. I felt very inspired today by something that just kind of came up, I think, with some of my patients, and I just wanted to share it with you. Now, this thing that inspired me was this idea of the law of attraction. Now, I'm not sure if any of you have heard of it before. Some of you may have, some of you may not. I mean, I guess if you're on this website, there's a very likely possibility that you have heard of the law of attraction, or at least you're participating in it right now, which is part of the human detour experiment, actually, or part of the human detour process. Now, what I wanted to actually discuss is actually what this law of attraction is. So, the law of attraction is basically this idea that any thoughts or any feelings that you may have can affect the reality around you. So, for example, you might be scared of success, and the more you have this fear, the more you have this thought and feeling and connection to this fear, the more you attract a lack of success into your life, because what you fear is what you attract. So what you fear the most, usually you'll actually bring into your life. Now, I wanted to kind of demonstrate this a little bit just by showing you some diagrams in terms of what I mean. So, if you have a look here, I'm going to come a little bit closer so you can actually see what I'm talking about. So the top two diagrams are my wonderful renditions of two magnets. Now, in terms of magnetism or magnetics, opposites attract and like charges repel, right? So ideally, what we want to do is create this kind of magnetic effect in our lives with people, with jobs, with finances, money, etc. That's the idea. Now, the way to create that is to equal the charge on that other thing. Now, these represent the cells in your body. Well, we'll look at the one on this side first. This represents a cell in your body. Now, a cell in your body, there's more charge around it, but there's going to be positives and there's going to be negatives that make up the cell. Now, in order for you to attract what you want, the thing is, you need to attract something else that has the exact same charge in terms of the number of charge, let's say the number of positives and negatives. You want to attract that same exact charge into your life. Now, the only way to really do that is to have the same charge of something else. So, for example, let's say you want to attract finances into your life, or money into your life. Now, the cells in your body have a specific emotional charge on them, or emotional reactivity to money and finances and saving and making money and spending money, all those kinds of things. And the idea is to make your charge, if you want to call it, in your body equal to the charge of bringing money into your life, right? Now, that all sounds really easy to do, but it's actually a little more complicated.